Morning guys, how are you guys doing? We are so excited. I'm so excited right now. We are getting ready to celebrate Carmen's birthday. Yes, her birthday is coming up soon. I have to go and order a cake for her today. It's snowing. I'll be driving in the snow. I don't like driving in the snow, but I have to go and order this cake. Let's go order some cake, guys. Yay! The little country road is white. Painted white. Who painted the road white?
Mr. Snowden.
Okay, we're going down this little hill. Get ready, we're going down this hill. Slowly. Easy does it. Easy does it, girl. Just dodge around a girl or boy. Easy.
Boy.
Boy. That's it. Good boy, dodge. Dodgy Rammy.
Oh my gosh, you know what just happened? The dogs just were starting to follow us when we were going to town. In the snow. Yeah, they were. They were starting to. And this is...
No, they followed us.
Yeah, and this is snowy weather.
Look how it's snowing. We have to go to town. Yeah.
I have to go rummaging through the bag to find this. Yeah. Bye.
Oh my gosh, it's snowing again. Okay, that little part right there is always icy. Oh, look at the bridge. Look at the bridge. Oh no. Slow down, girl. Slow down. I say. Is this a little slushy right here? We're going to make it to Walmart. The weather is not looking that good. We wanted to go, Carmen wants to go to Walmart, but I don't know. We'll see if we can make it, okay? I'm not sure yet, baby. Let's run our first errand and take it from there.
Yeah, because if we can make it to town, maybe we can make it to Walmart.
Ooh, it's feeling warm in here right now. Let me turn down this heat. Look over there. It's pretty, yeah, look at the beach. The white beach. This is white beach. You hear of white sand? Hey, this is white sand, okay? This is white sand.
Right there's not sand.
This is a little beach we like to go to. This is a small beach. Let's see.
White sand.
Carmen's birthday is tomorrow, and we have to order the cake, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad. We have seen worse. We have seen worse. You probably don't remember, sweetie, but I have driven through worse weather than this in New York.
30 days have September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31 except for February and a leap year.
You got that right.
See? Speed limit 65. So we can make it to the first. So we can make it to town. We're going to Walmart, right?
Doesn't look like it, baby. The snow is coming down.
Hey, seagull.
More and more.
Oh, looks like it's raining.
Coming down a little heavier.
Yeah, but let's hope that we can make it. Why are people using their headlights?
Why aren't they, or why are they?
Like, aren't they?
Yeah, I know some people don't do it. I don't get it. Some people just don't. Maybe they just forget, or maybe their lamps are out. Maybe they need new lamps, new headlights.
Or maybe they just don't know to do it.
me see. Oh.
Chicken, also a dog / wolf, pig, sheep, cow, and Steve.
Let's put it in the cart. I'll think about it. Let's think about it. Oh my gosh.
I also have 3 mystery meats. What's this?
What?
Another toothless.
Another toothless.
You can open its mouth, flap its wings, and you can ride him.
Oh, you have.
You can ride them. Can I get this one, please?
No, you already have about 6 of those
I'll
things.
trade this one in because look, it can flap its wing, open its mouth. I think even move its legs. Hiccup can ride him too. I think this is the first one I've seen with Hiccup.
You already have 6 of those, Carmen.
Please, I'll trade this. I'll get rid of one of the toys that I already have in the cart for this.
You're silly.
That's the last one.
Oh, let's go see where's Carmen. Carmen, what? I was looking for you. What?
No one here. Why didn't it come down?
Oh boy, it's cold. I am cold. Feels colder than yesterday. Feels colder. It's windier than it was yesterday, though.
Look in the back of the gator.
I know, the back of the gator. Remember when you guys went over to the neighbors?
Oh yeah.
The neighbors. Whew.
Oh, is he on top?
Hmm?
I'm taller than you.
Aren't you cold yet? Aren't you cold yet? Are you going to shovel snow? Oh no. What do you think you're doing?
It doesn't come out.
Why did you do that? Let me do like this. What are you looking at?
That thing right there.
Hmm?
That thing right there.
What thing right there?
Right there. See? Look. See that thing right there?
Are you trying to catch some snowflakes? Oh. Your cheeks are red, sweetie. The dogs are back. Captain, you guys need to go home. It's cold. You guys need to go home. It's cold. Guys,
Oh,
no.
it's about to start coming in.
No, it's cold.
It's freezing.
Go home, guys. Go on.
Cold, I gotta come in.
Oh my gosh.
No.
They don't want to go home.
I never heard Gracie hiss at them.
Oh?
I never heard Gracie hiss. No anymore, no.
Yeah, they want to come in.
I can't wait to try out my new tablet tonight.
They'll get called home in a minute. You watch.
Wow. Would you look at that? Isn't that beautiful? Wow, I don't think I've ever seen anything like that. You can even see like a little silhouette of the trees. You can even see a little silhouette of the trees. Don't you guys see that? Isn't that so beautiful? Oh my gosh, it's freezing out here. It's very freezing. Whew. That's all I wanted to tell you. See you later. Bye. Oh my gosh, it's so cold.